Well, friends, from the first session until now, we have learned to work with WordPress and create a website. In the first steps, we went to buy a domain host or how to buy a domain host. After that, we learned to set up WordPress on the host and launch our website. Then we worked with practical WordPress plugins like Elementor, WooCommerce, and other plugins. After that, we explored themes, what themes are and what they can do, working with 4 of the themes. And we learned to complete the design of our website. Now, from this session onward, we are going to bring up a project from scratch to completion together, meaning we are not going to buy a theme and install it. We will do the design ourselves. Here we reach a concept called UI and UX, UI design, meaning we will come based on the needs of our business, its target audience, and its persona. We perform UI and UX design. In the first step, we go for wireframe design. What does that mean? We create a skeleton for our website, like where the logo will be placed, where the menu will be. The next section that comes is the slider, then the category, and so on. Each of these placements has a reason. Why should I put this here? Because, well, the business. This setup is also new, and no one knows me yet. That's why I place the About Us section higher up, so that people can trust me more, and their trust increases. After the kids design the wireframe, we move on to designing the prototype. This means we now put a skin on this skeleton. Designing the graphical appearance of our website. For example, this box is this color. The color is like this, and the box shape is like this. And we design the complete appearance of the website for ourselves, before the implementation and using the Figma graphic software. After the kids have completed our design, we move on to designing our template, which means working with WordPress. We install WordPress, install our template, and we want a very simple template. For example, like Hello Elementor, so that we can just bring Elementor up on it. We install Elementor and WooCommerce because we are setting it up to be both a store and bilingual, so we need to install Polylang in it as well. After that, we start designing the pages based on the same design, the main page, About Us, and the other pages. We learn to design a complete site ourselves from start to finish. So stay with us to complete this project together.